Welcome to the overview of the 200A, 700A, and 700R top and bottom drive 3-matic case sealers. You'll see the major components of each of the case sealers and some of the accessories that are available. Your 3-matic case sealer instruction and parts list manuals can be used if you need more information. The three case sealers, 200A, 700A, and 700R, are designed to meet a variety of packaging needs. They all contain the latest design in 3M taping heads, either the AccuGlide 2 Plus or the AccuGlide 3, and adjust to meet each box size. The 200A and 700A are adjusted manually, while the 700R automatically adjusts to box sizes. Let's take a closer look at each of the case sealers, beginning with the two manually adjusted case sealers. First, the 200A. This model features a bottom belt drive and has upper and lower AccuGlide 2 Plus or AccuGlide 3 taping heads, and an alternate outboard mount for the lower tape roll. A height adjustment crank raises and lowers the taping head to adjust to box height. The 200A has top flap compression rollers that position the top flaps of each box for precise sealing. The main conveyor bed supports the case as it is conveyed through the case sealer. Adjustable side guides position and align the box. The box drive belts located in the bed convey the box. The gear motor provides power to the belts. The on-off switch located here turns the case sealer on and off. A centrally located stop switch can be used to quickly shut down the case sealer. After setup, the 200A continues to feed same size boxes until a different size box must be fed. Then you can readjust the case sealer for that case size. The next manually adjusted case sealer we'll discuss is the 700A. This case sealer is similar to the 200A, except that it has both top and bottom belt drives to convey the box. The height adjustment crank raises and lowers the top drive belts and taping head. The gear motor drives are located on the top drive belt assembly and beneath the conveyor bed frame. The on-off switch is used to turn the case sealer on and off. Additionally, the 700A has a centrally located stop switch that can be used to quickly shut down the case sealer. As with the 200A, the 700A can feed the same size boxes in succession once it is set up, or you can adjust it to convey a different size box. The last of the three case sealers we'll discuss is the 700R. This case sealer is similar to the 700A in size and style, with both top and bottom drive belts. However, this case sealer automatically adjusts to the box dimensions and can seal various size boxes in succession. Notice that because the 700R upper assembly is powered up and down, it has two upper mast column guards. The top and bottom drive belts convey the box. As with the 700A, the gear motor drives are located on the top drive belt assembly and beneath the conveyor bed. The on-off switch is located here. Similar to the other units, a centrally located stop switch is applied to quickly shut down the case sealer. Here's the upper drive assembly with the raising switch and the upper drive assembly lock knob. The in-feed conveyor supports the box and assists the operator in feeding the box into the 700R. Here's the box centering switch and the box centering guides. The 700R case sealer operates from an air supply, so pneumatic components are located on the case sealer. Here's the pneumatic on-off valve, pneumatic regulator, filter, top drive assembly regulator, and the centering guide regulator. Now that you've seen an overview of the three case sealers, let's discuss some accessories that are available to enhance case sealing operation. Casters are available that allow the case sealer to be easily moved from one production area to another. The 700R comes with an in-feed conveyor, but one is also available as an option for the 200A and the 700A. It allows the cases to be more easily staged and fed into the case sealer. Last, the optional exit conveyor provides a temporary resting space for the boxes and allows them to be easily conveyed away from the case sealer. We've just discussed some general information on the 3-matic case sealers models 200A, 700A, and 700R. Now you should be ready for more detailed information in other segments. This concludes the overview.